Okay, now it's Fuzzy.
He just chased Ginger into the side yard.
There's Ginger.
I see Toby. I'm going to block him.
Oh, I see Toby.
Oh, it's too hot back here. Should we just go in?
No.
Oh, here he comes.
Oh.
It's too hot in the side yard with the air conditioner. Let's not do a side yard.
Toby?
I see him.
Where'd that little monster go?
He's hiding.
Where's he hiding?
Between the bushes.
Oh, I see him. What a great hiding place. I can't see him at all. No, really, on the camera, I can't see him at all. Yeah, it's too dark over there. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. That was
There's
just...
Ginger. Get Ginger.
Where's Ginger?
Coming out.
Oh. That was too close,
Look how he pants.
Woo! Ow, there's stuff in my shoes.
Oh, he's panting. Should we take him in? Is he getting too hot?
Yeah.
He's panting. Look at him panting.
Look at his tongue.
Are you panting, my baby boy? You're panting. Are you too hot? Take you in? You're getting riled up, sir. Let's take you in where it's cool. Okay, grab your shoes now.
Okay, well, that's it for now.
You are panting. I know that was fun.